In this video, we are going to see how to find the limits using rationalizing technique. So let's have a look on one question given in this form, and it is clearly seen that there is a square root in the numerator. So for such kind of questions, you have to use the rationalizing technique. For that purpose, you have to multiply and divide with the conjugate of the square root function. So what is conjugate actually? Let's suppose if a plus b is written, so the conjugate will be a minus b, whereas if a minus b is written, so the conjugate is a plus b. So in this case, this is your a, means square root of x plus 5 is a, and 3 is your b. So first of all, you have to write down the question as it is, x plus 5 minus 3 over x minus 4. Now multiply and divide with the conjugate of this function. So you will write x plus 5 as it is, and for the conjugate we just change the sign. If it is minus, we write it down plus. If it is plus, we will write here minus. The rest of the things are as it is. Whatever we multiply here, we have to divide it with the denominator also. Now look at this question. Now look at this step. Here it is a minus b and a plus b. And you all know that a minus b and a plus b is always be equal to a square minus b square. So what you have to do, write down limit x approaches to 4, write the a, that means square root of x plus 5 with square and minus because of this formula b square, whereas b is 3, so it means 3 square. Look at the denominator, they are not alike. So just rewrite them as it is, means in the multiplication form, just rewrite them. Square root of x plus 5 plus 3. Now this square goes with the square root. So you will write limit x approaches to 4. Without the square root, it will be x plus 5 minus 3 square means 9 over, rewrite the denominator as it is, x plus 5 plus 3. Now observe the numerator, it is 5 minus 9. So 5 minus 9 means minus 4. Write down the denominator as it is. Never ever forget to write the limits until you apply the limit. Now this x minus 4 will be cancelled the x minus 4, and you will see that the leftover thing is limit x approaches to 4, and it is 1 over square root of x plus 5 plus 3. Now the last step you just apply the limit, means wherever you have x, you replace by 4. So you will get 1 over square root of 4 plus 5 outside plus 3. If you solve it, you will get 1 over 6. That's all.